Okay, so this video is for advanced fuser repair for the Brother MFC9140 9330 9340 9335, I think. But anyway, the series of machines that use the TN215255 in Australia, the TN221, I think it is in America. Most of the videos on YouTube are just for complete replacement of this item. I'm assuming that you've watched the other videos that are posted about removal of the fuser assembly from the machine. I'm not going to show you how to do that. Watch the other videos, they're pretty clear and to the point. And now we're going to repair this unit that continually fails. There's a message. So what happens is, if you're an owner of the MFC9140 series type machine, the upper fuser roller bubbles away. Or more to the point, the rubber, the orange rubber underneath the black Teflon micro sleeve, the rubber goes rock hard and then it breaks away from the aluminium underneath. So this is the roller that we're replacing today. This is the upper fuser roller. I'll just pull it out as this is how it comes when you purchase it. If you Google Brother MFC 9140 Wrinkling paper, you'll come across my web page where I've written up what the cause of it is. It's a whole combination of factors. This is the roller. You need to be very gentle with it, as if you crease, dent, even with a fingernail, the surface of the roller, it will of course produce on the paper that's printed out the same pattern repeated down the page over and over again. So this is the roller. It's the smallest fuser roller in any color laser printer I've ever seen, and it's due to its size that it continually and repeatedly fails. The interesting fact is, if you weren't such a tight ass when you purchased this machine initially, if you actually spent twice the amount of money, instead of only spending $400, if you spent $800 and bought the more expensive color laser multifunction or printer from Brother, you wouldn't suffer this problem at all, as this particular roller is twice the size in the MFC 9460 MFC 9970 machine. And to point out, the model that came before this series of machines, the 9140 9330 machine, if you purchase the model before it, the MFC 9120 or the MFC 9125, you would actually get the bigger roller. So if you're in the market for a color laser printer and you can only afford around $400, don't buy the brand new machine. Go out and search for the second-hand machine, the MFC 9125, and you'll never get this particular problem because it's built better. Anyway, we'll just put that over there. So this is the fuser unit. You've already got it out of the machine. First thing to do, this is going to be a bit hard because I'm doing it one-handed, so I'll probably pause and start. First thing you have to do is you have to remove the lower paper guide. On the lower paper guide, they have these cleaning rollers here. What these cleaning rollers do is they pick up Oh, is that one broken? Oh no. They pick up the stray toner that doesn't get fused onto the paper. So if the cartridge has a tiny little leak and it doesn't get fused onto the paper by the upper and lower roller here, which are heated to 200 degrees Celsius, they get picked up by the cleaning rollers here, and you'll notice that they're positioned just in line with the picker fingers or separation claws, depending on what you want to call them. Each company has a different name, but they could be separation claw, separation finger, picker finger. Their job is to pick the paper off the roller as it rotates and comes out. And what these do is they keep it clean, so there's no chances of it jamming. So first thing you have to do is you have to remove this screw here and this screw here, and then the lower paper guide comes off. So I might just pause and do it, because doing it one-handed, oh no, let's give it a go. I'll put it on. And just be sure to set all the screws away together, because there are different sized screws in this unit, and if you put the wrong length screw back in the wrong hole, you can actually run the risk of being electrocuted in one particular section when we get to it further. I'll show you when we get further. Okay, so those two screws are out. I'll just lay it down. That unit then comes off, so I'll put that over there. Those two screws with that unit. Okay, so once that's off, the next step is we want to separate this is the lower fuser roller. Generally, this doesn't get damaged. If you have a look at the surface of it, if there's any damage on this roller at all, any scratches, any